And here we have the CUBOT new phone that you have right here with a big display like this. UI Android 910. Hi, so who are you? What's your name?
Hello, I'm Mike from CUBOT.
And what is this product here?
It's our new model X20 Pro.
It's got an MT6771. It's 4G with a nice display. Everything is fast on this. And it's got this camera setup. It's like iPhone 11 a little bit maybe, which is not yet announced, but it might look like this on the back. And then you have also some different ones right here. This is also the Max, a different one.
Different color.
Different one. And another iPhone 11 here.